Stamping Assembly Equipment Factory, Dongguanjingyan Intelligent Machinery, JY516P for printing 1 bronzing CCD positioning line. Fully servo high-precision color series, 1 machine full uses, efficient and convenient. For color over print test www.jyzit.com. Automatic loading system for the tray. Cage conveying channel. Automatic feeding of nozzles. Electrostatic dust removal. Dual vision positioning system. 1 hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. 2 hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. 3 hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. For hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. Hot stamping station. Human-machine interface is easy to operate. 1 speed is 55 pieces a minute to yield rate over 99%. 3 full servo control. Easy to operate for 1 year warranty for the whole machine. 5 lifetime technical support. Automatic unloading by robot. For color over print sample display. Any printed product display. Five to 7 color printing. Full servo industrial control capable of secondary overprinting. Speed is 58 pieces a minute. Vision double positioning secondary overprinting. Five hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. 6 hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. 7 hashtag printing and UV drying and fixing. Reserved printing and hot stamping stations.
第7个颜色是很鲜艳的灰蓝色。
7-color high-precision over-printing sample display.
成品都很漂亮，套色很精准，线条完整，图案清晰。这是在流水线上，像在铺在随便装饰的产品。
Any sample displayed on the conveyor
标
belt.
准很统一哦。在流水线是看过人都愿意抓住的一个。可以抓这个。
1-year warranty for the whole machine. Lifetime technical support. Thanks for your attention. Welcome to contact us Joy at jyzit.com.